Good day, Hot Wheelers and diecast dealers. This is Four Son Diecast with another unboxing video. Today we're doing mail call. I've got another subscription box from the Hot Wheels Hotbox. So I want to get into this with you guys. All right, so I've got my tool. So let's get into it. Said I've been with the Hot Wheels Hotbox now for about 3 months. And typically you get a box once a month, close around to the end of the month, and it typically has several cars in it, sometimes some track and other types of swag. So this month, let's see what we got. Oh man, look at that. We got some diorama accessories. Looks like a shop kit. That's packing material, get that out of here. We've got the Audacious from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series. We've also got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss Limited from the Baja Blazers. I love this truck, by the way. We've also got the 1995 Mazda RX-7. That's a clean little ride. And we've also got the Holiday Races Volkswagen Beetle celebrating Valentine's Day. That's clean. I like the little designs on there. And like I said, you normally get some pieces of track, some nice wide typical Hot Wheels track right here. What else do we have down in this box? Let's get into it. We've got a couple Hotbox stickers. Then we also have some Hot Wheels stickers. Is that it? No. There's more. We also have another Hotbox sticker. You can either use that to decorate your work area or to decorate your tracks when you build them. Again, this was the Hot Wheels Hotbox subscription box. You can find it on Cratejoy. I'm not sponsored by this subscription set, so I'm not making any money by promoting them. Let's get that box out of here. Let's go over all our finds today. Check that out. These are pretty cool cars. I'm probably going to modify most of these. And then take these and play with them with the kids. Again, thank you for joining us today. And as always, subscribe, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new content.